Might be trying to figure out how you can use templates on TikTok. Now, this is actually pretty basic. It's essentially a way that you can use a pre-existing template of somebody else's. You can add your videos here and there, and this is actually pretty cool. So to do this, what you want to do, you want to first make sure you have CapCut downloaded. Now, this is actually a video editor that TikTok, the ByteDance, the company made. You can probably do it with some other ones too, but they just come with it natively, so it's a pretty easy way of editing your videos. And then what you want to do is you want to make your way over to that specific TikTok video in which there's a filter or a template in. So in this case, you can see that if I'm watching this video, there's a little tiny button at the very top of that specific username of that person, which basically says CapCut, try this template. So as you can see, if I want to, I can go and tap on that specific template like that, and it will show me there's that specific template that I can use. So now all you have to do is click on Use Template in CapCut, and it will go ahead and open up CapCut for me. So now all I have to do is go and make my way here, and that is it. Now what I can also do is I can search within CapCut for that template, but in this case we're going from TikTok. So now I can click on Use Specific Template. So in this case we'll have to allow access to all photos, so make sure you do that. And you can do notifications if you want to. But now what you can do is you can go and add the videos that you want. So in this case, you can go and select a time span. So in this case, let's say in that 11 seconds in, I want this video. Let's say whatever this is, I'll choose another video and just keep choosing videos for however long that template is. And that is it. So that template will automatically build in your specific videos that you selected. So now what you can do, as long as you have the videos already there, you can click preview and watch what happens. It's a dumb template, it's not going to work out, but you can see that the template does actually showcase exactly the videos that I picked. So this is a really bad example, but it's just an example of exactly what's capable. I didn't do any editing, as you can see. I did zero editing at all, and it already kind of did this for me, which is actually pretty cool. So once you're ready, you can go and click export, which is at the top right, and you can go ahead and save and share it straight into TikTok. You can save and share it to Instagram, or you can save it to your device. In this case, I'd probably just save it to my device, if I'm being honest. And then it's going to export. You can download it from there, and that's pretty much how to do it. It's a pretty basic process. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.